In this video, you will see how to insert arrow symbol in Excel cell. It's very easy. You can insert different types of arrows like this. Let's get started. First, click on the cell where you want to insert the arrow symbol. Then click on the Insert tab. And at the right hand side, you will see the option Symbol. Click on it and you will see this window. Now this is very important. Under the font, select normal text. Under the subset, select arrows. And you will see here different types of arrows. What you have to do is just click on the arrow you want. It will be highlighted by the blue color and then click on Insert. If you want different designs of arrows, under the font, select Wingdings 3 and you will see many designs of different arrows. You can just click on them to insert them inside the Excel cell. Now check out this video that will show you how to draw arrow in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.